2023 Toyota Crown. After decades of absence from North America, the Toyota Crown nameplate has returned to our shores. Although it's a replacement for the discontinued Avalon, this is no traditional sedan. Engine, transmission, and performance. All Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new hybrid Max setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The XLE and Limited models get a less powerful 236 horsepower hybrid system that uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and 3 electric motors. The XLE and Limited have a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, while the Platinum uses a 6-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim. The Platinum model does come with adaptive dampers that sharpen things up and give the big four-door a more fun-loving nature. Price: $41,000. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Crown's cabin looks appropriately premium. Drivers who trade in their Avalon sedans are in for an upgrade, especially if they buy a Limited or Platinum model. The driving position is raised from a traditional sedan height to something akin to a compact SUV, which may make the Crown an attractive alternative to full-size sedans that still adhere to a more traditional formula. All models come standard with 8-way power-adjustable front seats with heat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and ambient interior lighting. Limited and Platinum trims add a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and ventilated front seats. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across the range, and it runs Toyota's latest, and much improved, software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are integrated into the infotainment software and connect to smartphones via a wireless connection. A second 12.3-inch display has digital gauges in front of the driver, and the Crown also includes niceties such as a wireless smartphone charging pad, onboard Wi-Fi, and USB-C ports. The base XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but Limited and Platinum models get an 11-speaker JBL stereo instead. About the car's safety, it includes 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Standard adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel and subscribe. Thanks.